In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of reposting a thread on Twitter using your PC. To get started, open Twitter and navigate to the thread that you wish to repost. This could be a valuable conversation, interesting discussion, or engaging content that you want to share with your followers. Once you have found the thread, look for the Repost button. Clicking on this button is the next step in sharing the thread with your audience. After clicking the Repost button, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up will display the post that you are about to repost, giving you a final preview before sharing it with your followers. To complete the reposting action, simply click the Repost button within the pop-up window. This will ensure that the thread is shared on your profile for your followers to see and engage with. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily repost threads on Twitter, expanding the reach of valuable content and fostering meaningful interactions within your online community. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on leveraging social media platforms effectively. Thank you for watching.